Good morning, everybody. You got the Wolfman here at the Thunder Valley CB shop. We just converted another Connex 3400 and peaked and tuned it. These are really nice radios. We changed the colors on them. They have echo, they have talkback, power control, Roger beep, and you can plug your external speaker in the front of them or the back of them. Alrighty, folks. I've only got a couple of those here. I've already sold two. I got them in yesterday. We still have this really nice Drive HD camera. It has dual cameras, so there's two cameras that come with it. Works very well. Yeah, got a few antennas left. We sold I think we sold 4 Vipers yesterday, and we sold 2 of the K40s and 1 of the Black Widows. So I only got 2 of them left, 1 black, 1 aluminum, both red, white, and blue. And I want to thank you all for watching this. And please go to my YouTube page, Thunder Valley CB Shop, so you can get pricing. Thank you all and have a good day. God bless.